hot tubbers, do you have phosphates in your hot tub and you have no idea how to check them? Stay tuned and I'll be right back and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So hey guys, welcome back. One of the questions that I'm getting pretty much every single day, especially on the YouTube channel here, is how do I test for phosphates in my hot tub? Well, it's super easy and it's actually one of my favorite things to test for. But what you need to do is you need to get some phosphate test strips, and I will actually link those down below in the description, but you just get your phosphate test strips. Super simple. It's going to come with a little tube like this. So this is your tube, and then you are going to get your test strips, and that's what that bottle looks like there. So really important. So all you do is take your test strip out and close that down, and then you take the cap off of the bottle, and then you bend this. Don't crease it, but bend it. So it's just kind of got a little U shape like that. Make sure you don't like put a hard crease in it. So it just looks like that there. So that's what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna take your vial and you're gonna fill it up to the 10 millimeter mark. So we're gonna take it out of our hot tub and we're just gonna fill that up. And then you make sure that's right at the 10 millimeters. You put the cap back in it. And then this is just my favorite part. You're just gonna tip this upside down. This bubble right here goes back and forth 10 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I can tell you right now that the phosphates in my water are super bad. And I did have some friends over this weekend and they got in the hot tub and one of them had a t-shirt on. So guess where phosphates come from? Laundry soap is one of the first places that it comes from. So then you take your bottle and you've got it like this, but you actually have to line it up with the bottom. I hope I can do this without spilling it. I may have to come at another angle, but you actually line this up. And so my phosphates are well over 2,500, but you have to look down the bottom of the vial to actually get your reading. You can't just measure it from the side like this. You actually have to look down the bottom of the vial and then get your reading that way. So I actually have 2,500 parts per million of phosphates in my hot tub right now. That would be why I have suds, because I really do have high bubbles right now if I turn the jets on. I'll show you a video of both of this from the top and then the foam I have in my hot tub. So I'm going to start with 2 ounces of phosphate remover to get my salt system to work better, and I'm going to do that every week for probably 5-6 weeks. That's going to make it go away. Just remember that phosphates can show up from anywhere at any time. So you think you have them under control, they can be gone again next week. You can be just as high as again. So it's really important to get the phosphate test removers. It's a good thing to have in your kit. I highly recommend them, especially if you have a saltwater hot tub. This is a way bigger deal on saltwater hot tubs than it is on regular chlorine hot tubs, but it is a big thing to do. So, hey guys, if you have any other questions, reach out to me on Instagram. Leave me a DM there. Give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, hit the subscribe button, do all the things that help me help you become a happy hot tub owner, and don't forget to catch the links down below to find out where to get these.